Skid steer S185 763. Let's turn the flashlight on here. Pretty sure the exhaust manifold itself is cracked due to where the black smoke is coming out in the one spot here. If I can get in there and look. Does that look like a cracked manifold to you? Because it looks like a cracked manifold to me. Some bolts up in there somewhere. Supposed to be able to get these things out somehow. If we can find them. Let's get up here on top of this pipe here and see what we can see. That's the one I can see. Still can't see one over there. Definitely got a leak over there. Oh, that's the front one. It's the same one. Bear with me. Does that look cracked to you? That looks cracked to me on that side as well. Let's jump over this pipe here, get over to that. Where'd my flashlight go? My phone's hitting the buttons all by itself here. Unpause. There we go. Hitting buttons on me, hitting buttons. I'm not sure what's going on there. Switch my fingers. I can barely get in here with my phone. Yeah, that looks like a broken exhaust manifold there too. Definitely is. Yeah. Okay, not a job for today. Not a job for today. Not going to happen today. Nope. I think I like that guy's idea of just pulling the head right off of this and working on it on the bench. Alrighty.